Hi everyone, we've got an extra little video today. I wasn't planning on doing another analysis video this week, but honestly this little incident happened yesterday and our pupil was Jacob again. He seems to be getting involved in all the interesting stuff nowadays. But anyway, let's have a look at it. So is it clear to move around the park one? Don't slow, don't slow, don't slow. You're fine, it's clear. Don't slow, keep out. Do you understand?
Yeah.
If you slow it down, it'll just put you into danger with them a little bit more.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Those kids behind, hanging out the window. I think that's poor, to be fair.
Yeah.
You have a crash.
Especially in the car as well, do you know what I mean?
Kids will do it. There's nothing, you know, look at that.
That little fun. Nasty if they crash like, but
Jesus, just a bit. All the cars moving as well. Honestly. I don't get that. Nice job, Jacob. Did well. I honestly don't think that requires any analysis from me. I usually talk over the clips. I usually pause them, take little parts and do my analysis, but honestly there's nothing required on that. All I'm going to do is let you have a look at it again. Those kids behind, hanging out the window. I think that's poor, to be fair.
yeah.
You have a crash.
Especially in the car as well, do you know what I mean?
Kids will do it. There's nothing, you know, look at that.
That little fun. Nasty if they crash like, but
Jesus, just a bit. All the cars moving as well. Honestly. I don't get that. So what does everyone think about that? Well, honestly, as I explained in the clip, I'm a little bit gobsmacked with it. I can't understand how people could operate these things without a care for kids who are so special in our lives. Our own kids are so special to us, so it doesn't make any sense to me whatsoever. So I don't think I really need to say any more, apart from thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you all soon.